Google Cloud Digital Leader Certification question. The developer in your IT team is trying to create a bucket on cloud storage, but is getting an error stating that the bucket name already exists. He has confirmed that the name is unique within his project and other projects in the organization. What could be causing this issue? A. Cloud storage requires bucket names to be unique worldwide. B. Bucket names are not case sensitive. Check for bucket names that have a different capitalization. C. Bucket names disregard any dot symbols in the name. Search for similar bucket names that contain a dot symbol. D. You cannot reuse bucket names that were previously deleted within the same project. Correct answer: A. Cloud storage requires bucket names to be unique worldwide. Explanation: all buckets in cloud storage share a global namespace, and each bucket must be uniquely named. In other words, no two buckets can share the same name, even if they exist in different projects. This has many implications for both process and security. In terms of process, systems should not depend absolutely on the ability to create a bucket with a given name, as there is no way to ensure that the desired bucket name does not already exist. The case of bucket names is important and should be considered. Unlike in Gmail addresses, the dot symbol should not be ignored in cloud storage. After a bucket is deleted, its name can be reused by anyone for a new bucket. Usually, it only takes seconds for the name of a deleted bucket to become available again. Keywords: error stating that the bucket name already exists. This is the core issue and provides a clue to the underlying problem. Name is unique within his project and other projects in the organization. Emphasizes that there's no internal naming conflict, so the problem is broader in scope. Subscribe and follow us.